In a crisis, teams need to understand the situation fast. When information is scattered, coordination slows down. TROP brings the mission into one shared operational workspace, so everyone works from the same live picture. In this scenario, the team receives a report about a fire at the Lesniki Sanatorium. The operator is currently near the stadium in Sopot and starts the response directly from the map. The first step is to create a new mission. The operator opens the mission section, adds a new mission, and names it Building Fire. Then the mission visibility is configured, and the right group is selected so the relevant users can access it. From this moment, all information related to the incident can be collected and shared within one mission. The operator begins by marking the main threat. A marker is created at the fire location and named Fire. This makes the source of danger immediately visible to everyone involved in the response. Next, an evacuation zone is added. The operator creates another point, names it Evacuation Zone, and places it in the right area. This gives the team a clear reference point for further coordination. The next step is to define an evacuation route. The route is drawn directly on the map, named Evacuation Road, and shared within the mission. Now the team can see where the fire is located and which direction should be used for evacuation. Additional users can also be invited to the mission, for example, civilians who need to be evacuated. The operator uses invite members to add team members who should take part in the response. Once invited, they immediately gain access to the current operational picture. When another TROP user spots civilians near the incident area, they can mark their position directly in the mission. The information no longer needs to move through a separate channel. It becomes part of the shared operational picture immediately. The field user can also add a photo from the scene. This photo is not just a separate file. It becomes mission context, connected with the location and available to the rest of the team. This gives the team more than a point on the map. They can see the real situation on the ground and better understand the scale of the incident. Back in the main mission view, the new field information is now part of the common operational picture. The fire location, evacuation zone, evacuation road, civilian position, and photo are all available in one place. As the civilians start to move, their position can be updated. The operator can see how they are progressing in relation to the danger area and the planned evacuation route. This scenario shows how TROP helps transform a single emergency report into a structured operational mission. Instead of scattered information, the team works from one shared picture of the situation. They can see where the threat is, where people are located, which route should be used, and what information is coming from the field. That makes it easier to coordinate actions, make faster decisions, and maintain control as the situation develops.